Hello, Team TFT, and welcome back to another week of the Daily Market Outlook video and episode number 50. Bit of a milestone there, so, that's great, and looking forward to the next 50. So, as usual, we're going to cover the DXY today, the Euro, and the GBP USD pairs. First of all, we'll get over here at the economic calendar, have a bit of a look. So, today we do have some GBP news sort of towards the opening part of the London. We do have some red USD news too later in the beginning part of the New York session as well that we need to be a little bit careful of. So if we're going to be taking some GBP pair trades or any or looking at trading later in the day, definitely need to be a consideration about that. Now, as we can see here, the dollar, we've actually come down, we've wicked down, we've consolidated above this little zone, wicked down below it, and now we're sort of working our way back up, filling this imbalanced price action over here to the left. I feel like we're going to be coming up higher with probability up into this area before ultimately continuing on a higher time frame bearish. As we can see here, we're sort of been coming down quite considerably. So, get up into this zone, probably looking to sell off from there, or at least a half decent rejection. So basically for today, looking at, the 4 hours still long here, working up towards this area. So again, we're just going to be looking for longs in this, around this range. So basically what have we got here? We've got 15-minute time frame. We've had this bullish intent, come back down, another bullish impulse, retrace, bullish impulse. We've had a retrace, and then we've sort of consolidated here a bit. We had a big wick here, extended wick here in the this today's Asian range, so which does actually look like it comes in at this lower section here. So we could be looking at pulling down in lower into this range before going long, or alternatively we could see rise up, pull back down, and go long from there. So obviously sweeping these liquidity lows here would be the better, higher probability trade there. Sweeping those liquidity lows, coming down further into this origin block, and then continuing away from there. Euro. Now, Euro, obviously, when we're looking at going bullish on the Dixie, we're obviously going bearish on the Euro. So obviously, we have come down into this big zone here, but obviously we do have a lot more that we could come a lot further down into, say, this range, which again sort of mimics what we're doing on the Dixie. So we are looking at obviously that bearish continuation here on the Euro. So again, what we're looking for, jump down to 15-minute time frames, and we start to look for some areas of interest here. So we can see here straight away we've had these relatively equal highs that have been swept here, worked away, came down, broke structure, and then came back down again. So straight away we can probably look at this area here from yesterday's London session, the start of the London yesterday. That would be an area that we could be looking to go short from. So, depending if we see a retrace up in here before going lower, or at this point in time, we are 15-minute bearish at the moment. You can see we've had a low, a high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we could even see some internal respect here around these regions here. We could see come up into here and go lower, or again, my favorite trade, the retest into the around that halfway line and go lower again. So that's basically what we're looking for on the Euro today. And GBP, so jumping out on the 4 hour on the GBP, you can see here we were looking at going flipping bullish here for a bit. We obviously had this big retrace here, and if we look at this on a fib, we did actually get back to that 702 line, had a rejection from the 702, and now we've come back down and broke structure and gone back bearish again. So again, now we're just looking for bearish trades. We could see a retrace up as high as this area up here. Again, this area did sweep this little liquidity high through here. So, you know, there is a possibility that we could see a push back up into that area. But again, we just need to, with the news around GBP today, it could be a little bit volatile. We need to just sort of wait and see what is going to come from there. But we are bearish, so we are looking for bearish trades. 15-minute is, you know, I've had this pull down, push back up, pull down. We've come back up, broken structure through here, broken structure through there, and ultimately just consolidated on that area there as well. So what we need to work out now is really, since yesterday, it's just literally consolidated in like a 30 pip range here, not very big. So we're waiting to see a move either way. So if we see a break of this range, break of sort of this range here at any time above or below, probably looking at possibly a continuation in that form or a continuation in that form. So again, that's what I'm looking for today. Again, don't risk any more than you need to, and remember to follow your trading plans around this. This is just what I look for based on my trading plans and how I like to trade. So make sure if you're looking at taking anything or looking at anything around what I've talked about today, make sure it fits how you trade and make sure you adjust any risks accordingly. Anyway, guys, thanks for jumping on for episode number 50, and yeah, I'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen's Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.